Hello students, in the previous class we learnt about the Cartesian plane. So on the basis of this we are going to start exercise 3.2. Its question number first is write the answer of each of the following question. Your first question is what is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. So the name of the horizontal and vertical line, so the name of a horizontal line is x-axis and name of the vertical line is y-axis. Okay. Question number second is what is the name of each part of a plane formed by two intersecting lines. So when two intersecting lines are there, then each part of the plane is called its quadrant. Okay. Third is write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. So these two lines intersect in this point and this point is called the origin. Okay. Now comes to the question number second. In this question you have to see this diagram. Okay. And you have to find out these all the values, means the answer of the following questions. Okay. Before starting this question, just point out the values. So here we can see that in this x-axis this point is 6, okay, and this point is 2. So 6 and 2. This B point is from x-axis it is -5 and from y-axis it is 2. Okay. Now this H point is -5 and -3. This E point is -3 and -5. This G point is 2 and -4. And this C point is 5 and -5. Because we know that whenever we are writing the coordinates, it always start with x and then comma y. These are called the ordered pair. Okay. Now your first question is the coordinates of B. So the coordinates of B are -5 and 2. The coordinates of C, similarly you can find out. The point identify the coordinate -3 and -5. So the point which are -3 and -5 is -3 and -5 is E point. Okay. The point identified by the coordinate 2 -4. So 2 -4 is G. The abscissa of the point D. So we know that the abscissa is the x coordinate. So abscissa of point D is x coordinate is 6. So abscissa is 6. The ordinate of the point H. So ordinate means the y coordinate. So this is x coordinate, this one is y coordinate. So this is ordinate of H is -3. The coordinates of point L is, so the coordinates of point L is, this is y-axis. So here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5. So the coordinates of point L is 0 and 5. Okay. The coordinates of point M is, here we can see that this is the x-axis. So its y coordinate is 0 and the x coordinate is -3. Okay. So this is the exercise 3.2. Now comes to the exercise 3.3. Its question number first is in which quadrant of which axis these points are lying, and then for verification you have to locate this in the Cartesian plane. So we will do it here. Okay. So firstly draw a Cartesian planes. This is the x-axis, -x-axis, y and -y. This point you can easily draw them. Okay, So x minus x, y and minus y. Okay, this is denoted by dash sign. This is the center point and this is the origin. It is denoted by 0, or we can see that it is O. Okay, now here in which quadrant or on which axis? Here we can see that this is minus 2 and 4. So we know that here all the positive values lie. Okay, here first x is minus and plus values lie. Here both the negative values lie, and here this is plus and minus values lie. So this is minus and plus. Minus and plus means this must be lie in the second quadrant. So you have to mention there minus 2 and 4 lie in the second quadrant. Okay, and for verification you can draw that minus 2 and 4, it must lie approximately here. This point is minus 2 and 4. Now second is 3 and minus 1. Okay, so 3 and minus 1, this is the point. 3 and minus 1, first value is positive and second is negative. Similarly, this third one is minus 1 and 0. So minus 1 and 0, it means that x coordinate is minus 1 and y is 0. So this must be the point minus 1 and 0. So this is not lying in any quadrant. This is lying on axis. That is why they ask or on which axis. So minus 1 and 0 lies in x axis. Okay, that is how you can write it. Okay, another question, try it yourself. Okay, its second question is plot the points, means you have to plot this x y in the Cartesian plane. So some points are given in the book, we are taking only 2 points, remaining you have to do yourself. So first one is, it is very easy to draw, we have already learned in first question. So firstly you have to draw the Cartesian plane, and it is not necessary that you have to take the values 1, 2 and 3, you can take the values of your choice. Okay, so here first one is minus 2 and 8, means when x is minus 2 then y is 8, means here this is the point minus 2 and 8. Okay, second is 0, means the center point, and minus 1.25, this is approximately minus 1.3. When you will draw this question in the graph, then you can easily find out the values, because in the graph paper these are given in the lines. So each line is containing 1 point, is of one box is of 1 centimeter, 1 length and breadth. Okay, so you will already get some lines inside it. This is of the different of 0.1. Okay, so here it is minus 2 and 8, this is the second point. Okay, minus 2 and 8, and the second is 0 minus 1.25, which is approximately minus 1.3. so at 0 the value is minus 1.3. This is an approximate value. When you will draw it in the graph paper, it will be easy for you. So 0 to this is 0 minus 1.25. Okay, that is how you can draw it. Clear? Okay, so you have to draw these points in the graph paper. Okay, so try the remaining questions yourself.